Make lotion in just 10 minutes? Is it possible? Yes, let me show you how. Hi crafters, welcome back to Craftiviti. And yes, today we are making lotion in just 10 minutes, and it is possible. Let me introduce you to our CP Lotion Maker, your shortcut to making smooth, silky and customizable lotion in just minutes. CP stands for cold process, which means now you can make your lotion without heating, complicated equipment or long wait times. Just add water, your favorite oils, CP Lotion Maker, and blend. That's it. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a beginner in natural skincare, this lotion maker gives you full control over your ingredients with professional results. Quick, easy, and fun. Craftiviti's CP Lotion Maker brings the magic of lotion making right into your fingertips. Before that, let's see our key ingredients in this CP lotion. Firstly, emulsifying wax. This is the ingredients that brings oil and water together, turning your mixture into a smooth, creamy lotion. It gives your lotion that rich, spreadable texture without feeling greasy. Second, citrulyl alcohol, not an alcohol that dries skin. Citrulyl alcohol is a fatty alcohol that acts as a natural thickener and also stabilizer, giving your lotion that silky finish. Third, we have glyceryl stearate. It's a skin conditioning agent that helps to emulsify oil and water. It gives your lotion a smooth and a non-sticky texture and helps keep the emulsion stable over time. Fourth, we have capric triglycerides, derived from coconut oil. This ingredient is lightweight and deeply moisturizing. It enhances the lotion absorption and leaves your skin feeling soft. Fifth, we have phenoxyethanol and ethylhexyl glycerin. It's a paraben-free preservative system that keeps your lotion fresh and safe to use. These ingredients protect against bacteria and mold, especially in water-based products. So you see, it's definitely your trusted brand to kickstart your lotion making.
Okay, let's get started. The ingredients you need will be 5 grams of CP lotion, 45 grams of water, 45 grams of witch hazel, and 3 grams of sweet almond oil. For the scent, you can play around with the amount, depends of the volume of lotion that you are making. For 100 ml, I'll be adding 1% mix of essential oils. I'll be adding 5 drops of peppermint, 10 drops of lavender, and 5 drops of sweet orange oil. And also I'll be adding 1% of preservatives. Even if the CP lotion contains some preservative components, they may not be enough to protect your final product, especially if you're adding natural oils and botanicals into it, if you're not using it immediately, if you plan to sell or gift the lotion, if you do not store it in the fridge. Okay, now let's get mixing. And just like that, we made our very own lotion in just under 10 minutes. Just using a few ingredients and Craftiviti CP Lotion Maker, we created a lightweight, nourishing lotion that smells amazing. Whether you're making it for yourself, as a gift, or even to start your own skincare line, this method is quick, customizable, and beginner-friendly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below your favorite lotion recipe. Thanks for watching, and as usual, stay crafty, stay creative. See you in the next one.